Greed versus contentment. What weakens the soul of a nation more than poverty? It is greed. Greed blinds hearts with endless desire. It devours honesty. It consumes compassion. And it leaves behind only corruption. But contentment is true wealth. The content find peace even in little. And a nation of content hearts stands stronger than a nation drowning in greed. Greed destroys, contentment sustains, and only those who conquer greed find true greatness.